am ddod nôl ato ni ac nôl â ni i'r stafell ddosbarth, ynde?
Ie, lle wnaeth Nia ddysgu yr wyddor the alphabet i'r dysgwyr, sydd yn help mawr pan mae'n dod i ynganu pronunciation.
OK, felly, fel hyn, iawn, after me, mewn grŵp o 3, iawn. A, B, C. A, B, C. D, V. So, like hedd, ap Dafydd. Iawn? Byddig. Like the, yeah? The book. The. Yeah. Right down there. Like a good, it's like a, really clear your throat. Like a good morning kind of, Mae'n iawn. Iawn? Fel hyn? Bendith, bless you. Meddyg? Oh, Byddig, that's his name. Her name. OK, guys, felly. A, B, C. A, B, C. D, V. E. Like a bag right? E, V. Like V, like in a van, yeah? A wedyn, like friend. So, E, da iawn. G, H. Da iawn. I, J, Da iawn. It's like, say, like I like. And now, don't put any sound, but just blow. So your tongue is in the same place. Yn union. Oh, really common now. Oh, iawn, da iawn. P. And then F. Same. F.
The O, is that ever O?
Oh, yeah, sometimes it's shorter, but it's never posh. It's never O. It's never O. Never. Not a diphthong. It's O. O puffer. Like a good diphthong. R. Now with this one, if you can't roll your R's, dim ots, doesn't matter at all. Just shorten it, make it a Robert, Just put it further back, by iawn. You don't have to be able to roll your R's. If you can, great. Nessa, the same, but with a bit of a huff at the end of it. Like think, thank you. Now then, yn y gogledd, which is why they say we all sound like we're talking like this, like my nose is blocked. Yn y de, in South Wales, it sounds more like this. E. Yeah, it's like softer really fel. E. Yn y gogledd, E.
Can I just check the TH? There's no different sound between that and a double D.
Yeah, one's voice,
Yeah. So, hwn.
Semantics degree between
I know, Mummy, that's not obvious. I'm going to do it in
Oh, is that what it is?
Right. Exactly yr un math gyda'ch tafod a'ch ceg. Your mouth is exactly the same. Ond, yma, mae sŵn. He was right. Sŵn, yeah? There's noise, iawn? Like the. Dafydd. Yma, dim sŵn. No vocal cords, dim ond. Pawb? Dim ond dipyn bach. Think the. Yeah, you just kind of don't think about what you do you? Oh, I'm so sorry. Anferchol. Reit te, mewn blociau o dri, ar eich traed. Oh, we didn't do this. Is the only letter that sometimes changes. It's sometimes an E sound, like a sputty. It's on the end of it. But don't worry about that, it's the only one. Pob dim arall. Sticks to the rules.
I know.
Ynys boes. Ynys, yeah, ynys, because it's the second Y, it's an E. Like a sputty, the last Y in a... But don't worry. Okay, right there. Arfoli, after me. Abaca. Abaca. Ga-nha. Ga-nha. Ija-u. Ija-u. Opas. Opas. Rhas. Rhas. Tys-i. Tys-i. Da iawn, reit e, tro ma, gyda dim bach o clicio. Abaca. Chda-u. Ews. Ga-nha. Ga-nha. Ija-u. Ija-u. Opas. Opas. Rhas. Rhas. Tys-i. Tys-i. Da iawn. Okay, ag eisteddwch. Un o'r pethau sy'n gwneud y profiad cariad at iaith mor arbennig, one of the things that makes the cariad at iaith experience so special, ydy bod nhw'n cael ymarfer i Cymraeg mewn sefyllfaoedd go iawn in real life situations gyda'r gweithgareddau with the activities,
Ac yn rhyfedd iawn, very strangely, oedd grŵp nia wedi mwynhau yfed gwin. They liked drinking wine.
Dyna odd. Ddim fi wrth gwrs, achos mae'n amlwg. A be fes di'n neud dal Cimwch?
Wel, gwyliwch a gewch chi weld.
Iawn ta. Croeso, Brian.
Joy.
Reit, dyma Brian. Siwmai! Mae Brian yn gweithio i gwmni sydd yn gwerthu gwinoedd, iawn. A felly mae Brian yn mynd i roi cyflwyniad, introduction i ni. Felly cyfle i chi flasu chydig bach o win a bwyta chydig bach o gaws. Neis iawn, ynddo?
Peth gynta, gwydir.
Gwydir. Gwydir ydy hwnna? Gwydir. Glas. Gwydir, oce.
mawr.
Mae bwysig i chi amser chi'n blasu gwin. Poer efo mas?
Poeri fy mas? Beth? Rhain? Mae'n rhaid y fod yn cellwair brau.
Na, allwch chi'n blasu gwin.
Right. Dwi ddim yn edrych fel neges i wedi treiddio, ydy e? Ambell un falle yn methu credu'r hyn maen nhw wedi glywed.
Don't match.
Na, trwy'n. Wedyn.
Dyna sut maen nhw'n blasu gwin yn Port Talbot.
Fydda, ie. A mewn. A wedyn, os chi moyn.
Sorry. Dwi'n dod o Gyfyrddin yn reithio.
Mae chwbyn bubbles. Felly gynta, troi, na ni, a rogli.
Rogli the broccoli.
Rogli the broccoli.
That's lovely, isn't it? Very nice.
Hyfryd.
So,
Mae'n gynnu yfed gwyn, ond mae'n hyfryd.
beth chi'n blas?
Tra bod 5 o'r 8 yn dioddau'r blasu gwyn, fe ath y 3 arall i Pysgota.
Bore da.
Bore da.
Enw fi yw Steve.
Enw fi Lucy.
Bore da, Lucy. Oce, beth da ni fan hyn? Y life jackets. Oce? Os chi'n gwybod mewn, nes ti mas am y togl melyn, tynnu lawr yn galed, a godith y mas.
If we fall in, pull the yellow tog in, it'll inflate.
Ond dyw'r 3 ddim yn gwybod am beth maen nhw'n Pysgota eto.
Dych chi'n mynd mas i Pysgota. Pysgota?
Fishing.
Ond ddim am bysgod wibbly-wobbly na dim byd fan yna. Dych chi'n mynd i bysgota am gymychiaid. Cimwch. Cimwch.
Lobsters.
Lobsters!
Chopsy.
Cimwch ydi lobster. Cimwch, ie. Wedyn, cawell ydi cage. Cawell. To get it up, dych chi'n...
Pwlio.
Ie, be di Paul, dych chi'n cofio?
Pwlio.
Weighs a ton?
Twnio.
Tynnu.
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 Checking it io,
Normally right, Al. Normally right.
Hwyl fawr, Iwan!
Bant yn nhw gan adael chopsy ar y cei.
No, ble mae? What's the case?
Okay, Troi. Arogli, smell. Nesa, blasu?
Blasu, iechyd da.
Da.
Very nice challenge, very enjoyable, very informative.
Oh, wahanol.
Ydy?
I've learnt a lot of the language, I think, a few words. Troi'n, troi, blas, blasu, iechyd da.
John blasus, Lisa?
I drink so much wine, it all tastes the same to me.
Felly, mae hwn yn ola, a mae hwn yn dywyll.
It's darker later.
Ie?
Lle o'r rosy?
So, mae'r waniaeth yn lliw.
Mae'n plant. Johan, pob loc yn y wers nawr yma, dwi'n dweud. Pob loc i ti.
Diolch yn fawr, Brian. Gotta go now.
Cysgu.
Cysgu. I need a lot of cysgu.
Diolch yn fawr i ti. Diolch. Oh, ffantastig. Da iawn.
Beth am tynnu?
Tynnu,
Tynnu, Alex.
Tynnu, Al.
Alfie, tynnwch.
Tynnu. Come on, then. Tynnu. Araf.
Cimwch! Cimwch!
Cimwch mawr.
Oh, look at him! Cimwch glas.
Cimwch crewl, ne?
Yeah. Go on, Alfie.
Daddy? Oh, why is he having to go me? Why me? You didn't do that when he held, do?
Oh. Get me off this boat. Get me off this boat, Nia.
Wedi dal I gwale o grancod a chimwch yn ôl yn i'r cei.
Be sy'n gyda chi fan hyn?
Crank, corin.
Corin, ie.
Crank, brwn.
Ie, a...
Cymach.
Cimwch.
Glas.
Cimwch glas.
Ar garchod.
Amser cinion.
Amser cinion.
Oh, reit? Oh, I cinion.
No, don't put it in my face.
Wel, ar ôl hynny, mae'n amser egwyl. Cimwch baned. Cimwch baned.